After completing the define phase, now we have moved to the measurement phase. In this, we are taking measurements. Once you take measurements, then you need to have good understanding of statistics because that will help you in understanding these measurements. Let's understand some basic concepts related to statistics. When we say statistics, statistics is related to numbers. But then this has two main branches. One is the descriptive statistics and the second is the inferential statistics. When we say descriptive statistics, descriptive is to describe, to tell. Inferential is to infer or guess about something. So what we do in descriptive statistics, we describe something. Let's say you have a class in which you have 20 students. You take the measurement of each of these students, find out the height of that. Then with that height, you can describe that on the average, the height of students in this class is this much. By taking the mean of those heights, you can describe that class. On the other hand, what you want to do in inferential is that you take some samples and based on that sample, you make a guess. So let's say you take a sample of 500 people and ask them that which party they are going to vote for. So once you know these 200, 300 people, then based on that, you can make a guess that based on your survey, this is the party which is going to win. This is inferential statistics. We will not be talking much about inferential statistics in Yellow Belt course. Our focus will be on descriptive statistics, where we will be describing things, describing the data, describing whatever information which we collected. When we talk of descriptive statistics, in that also there are two key aspects. One is the measurement of central tendency and the second is the measurement of dispersion. We will be talking about each of these and what are the measurements related to central tendency and what are the measurements related to dispersion as we go in next few videos. But let's understand that central tendency is something which in a common language you can consider that as an average. In the example which I earlier told, that you took the height of students in a class and you took the average of that. That was central tendency. Dispersion was that how much variation you have in the heights. Some people might be higher, some people might be with the lower height. What is the dispersion? What's the range? What is the spectrum of these heights when you looked at that sample? That will be something which is called as measurement of dispersion. We will be talking about three measurements of central tendency, which are mean, mode and median, and we will be talking about three measurements of dispersion, which are range, standard deviation and variance. Let's understand each of these in next few videos.